Ever wondered why solid principles are so crucial in the world of programming? SOLID is an acronym for 5 principles that are the cornerstone of object-oriented programming and design. These principles are essential in creating code that is clean, scalable, and manageable. They provide a strong foundation for building software that can withstand the test of time and the constant evolution of technology. Understanding and applying these principles can make you a more efficient and effective software developer. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of SOLID principles and how to apply them in C#. Imagine we're building a news blogging system. The single responsibility principle would guide us to separate the functionality of content creation, editing, and publishing into different classes. Each class has a single responsibility, making the code easier to understand and modify. Next, the open-closed principle. This principle suggests that our classes should be open for extension, but closed for modification. For example, if we need to add new functionality, we should extend our classes rather than modify existing code. The Liskov Substitution Principle, on the other hand, ensures that our subclasses are interchangeable with their parent class without affecting functionality. The Interface Segregation Principle promotes creating specific interfaces for specific clients instead of one general-purpose interface. And finally, the Dependency Inversion Principle advocates that high-level modules should not depend on low-level modules. Both should depend on abstractions. Each principle has a unique role in ensuring that the code is easy to understand, easy to modify, and easy to expand. Having understood the principles, it's now time to see them in action in C#. Consider a news blogging system. To apply the single responsibility principle, we'll have a class article for all article-related responsibilities, and a separate author class for author-related tasks. Next, the open-closed principle. Let's say we need to introduce video content. We create an iMedia interface and make our article class implement it. Now, we can add a video class that also implements iMedia, without modifying the existing article class. The Liskov Substitution Principle is about substitutability. If we have a method that uses an article object, it should work seamlessly when we replace article with video, because both implement iMedia. Interface Segregation Principle is easy. We just make sure that iMedia only contains methods relevant to all media types, and specific methods go into respective classes. Lastly, the Dependency Inversion Principle. To achieve this, our classes should depend on abstractions, not concretions. So, article and video should depend on iMedia, not on each other. And there you have it, a practical demonstration of the application of SOLID principles in C#. So, what are the key points to remember about SOLID principles and their application in C#? First off, each letter in SOLID stands for a principle that makes your code more maintainable and scalable. Single responsibility emphasizes one job per class. Open-closed reminds us to create flexible, adaptable code. Liskov substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion all promote clear, efficient code structures. Remember, SOLID principles are not just theoretical concepts, but practical tools that can enhance your coding skills and make your life as a developer much easier.